Hello there, let's talk about how to reset the Cinnado camera. This is the B6 model with 2K resolution. So the reset is very easy. You need to reset it to have the camera working on your app, right? So you're gonna have the camera blinking like this, meaning that's ready to connect. If your camera is not like this, you need to reset it. You just need to come here to this button. There are two buttons here, one for power and another one for reset, okay? So just press the reset one here. Here we go, there's an information RST, that means reset. You press and hold until you hear a beep, and then you're ready to go. I'm just pressing here, wait for a while. I hear this beep, and the camera is ready to go. So the camera is going to pan and do some tests here, and you're gonna see also the LED changing color there. So, which means the camera is ready to be added to the app, all right? So since the camera is reset, I can come here with my app. And here I have the camera still there. I just want to come here and remove the camera. So I come here in device management. And here I can delete the device. Let me just do this, delete the device here. And then I can edit it again, right? So I add a device here. Then I select my camera. In this case here, it's in the second tab, here B6. And then I need to edit the camera again, right? So here I have Wi-Fi connection by QR code. If I read the QR code here on the camera, I can just edit the camera again, or I can do Wi-Fi connection by soft app. Let me just select here, read the QR code. I confirm that the camera is blinking. And let me just check here, it's flashing. Yeah, it is flashing. Okay, so I click here, that's flashing. I enter here the password for my Wi-Fi is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Don't use 5 gigahertz because it doesn't work. Let me just enter here my password. So here you go, I have my password for the Wi-Fi. Then I click next.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
And now the camera instructs me to point to read the QR code. Let me just do this.
QR code scan is successful.
Okay, got the message. That was successful. Click next here.
Wi-Fi is connected.
And it's connected, right? So pretty simple. I just need to wait.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now. You can start using the camera now.
Okay, it's ready. So I just give the camera a name. Let's say pet camera, something like that. Hit OK. And it's good. Okay, good to go. Working now. I'm just move here a little bit. I have a good signal. Here sometimes it takes a while to refresh. I'm just hit OK here. And just click here so you can see if the camera is really working. Pointing the camera to the box so we can see some image. Here we go, preparing to play video. It's connecting to the camera right now. I don't know why, sometimes it takes a while. So it's taking too long to connect. Let me just come back here and press here again. Establishing connect again. Now it's working, okay? Okay guys, so it's basically working right now, and that's the way you can reset your Cinnado B6 camera. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.